Ready to understand how to accurately reflect your company's ownership and capital structure in Peachtree, now known as Sage 50? First, navigate to the Tasks menu at the top of your Peachtree interface. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of accounting functions. From this drop-down, select General Journal Entry. This opens the Journal Entry window, the primary tool for recording equity transactions. Now, enter the date of the equity transaction. Then, in the first account field, select your equity account. This could be common stock, preferred stock, or retained earnings, depending on the type of transaction you're recording. If you're recording an initial investment, debit your bank account to reflect the cash coming in and credit the appropriate equity account to increase the company's equity. Enter the corresponding amounts in the debit and credit columns. Remember, debits and credits must always balance. In the description field, provide a clear and concise explanation of the transaction. This is crucial for future reference and auditing purposes. Something like initial investment by shareholders works well. Once you've entered all the necessary information and double-checked that your debits and credits balance, click the Save button to record the transaction. And that's it. By following these steps, you can accurately record equity transactions in Peachtree Sage 50, ensuring your financial statements properly reflect your company's ownership and capital structure.